So guys, in this video now I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your OEX token from Satoshi app to your Metamask wallet. In case if you have not added your OEX token to Metamask, in my previous video I made a video showing you how and step-by-step guides on how you can add your OEX token to Metamask. In case you have not done that, you can click on the video showing me right now on go to the screen of this video now and watch the video, because that's the first thing you need to do. First of all, add your OEX token to Metamask before you can be able to withdraw it from Satoshi app to Metamask. But I'm still going to give you a quick guide on how you can add that to Metamask now before I can show you how you can withdraw it to Metamask. So stay with me from the beginning to the end. Let me show you the step-by-step guide on how you can do this now. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button so each time I upload some videos like this, you'll always be the first to be notified. Alright guys, so the first thing you need to do now is to go straight to your Metamask wallet. So when you open your Metamask wallet now, click on this browser button down here. When you click on it, it's going to load and bring out this page. So at the top here, you are going to paste the link which I'm going to give you. So paste the link here. So when you paste it here now, then you click on search. When you search now, it will load and bring out this page. So when you show this page, scroll down. So when you scroll down and search. When you search now, you're going to see add core network. So when you click on it, it will load, and when it's loading, wait for it to load. So after loading now, it will bring out this now you click on confirm. When you click on confirm now, it will show you the switch network is what you click. So got it, click on got it. So you have successfully added core network now to your Metamask. So the next thing you're going to do now is to import the OEX token. So click on import token now, or import the OpenEx token. So when you click on it now, paste the contract address in this first column. So when you paste on it now, it will automatically be detected as OEX. So click on import. So when you click on import now, you have added OEX token to your Metamask. So the next thing you are going to do now is to click on the OpenEx network token. So when you open it now, it will show you this face. So click on receive. So this is the wallet address you are going to receive your token. So you are going to copy this wallet address now. This is your address which you are going to receive the OEX token from Satoshi app. So you copy it now and go to Satoshi app. So when you go to Satoshi app now, then on Satoshi app, so switch to Satoshi app. So on Satoshi app now, you click on this wallet button here, then select OEX, and then this is link wallet address. So paste the wallet address in this first place now. In the second place, you paste asset, just put your password there. When you are done putting your password, so you are going to click on the OEX link wallet link withdrawal address. So you confirm. So you are going to receive an email. So you are going to receive an email. So go to your email now, copy the code you received in your email. So this is my own code now. I'm going to copy it in my email. This is my code. I will copy it now. So when I copy it now, I will go back to Satoshi app. Then when I come back to Satoshi app, I'm going to paste it here and then click on confirm. So when you paste it now, click on confirm. Now you start verification. Make sure you did not try it several times. So I'm not a robot. Start verification. So you click on it now. So when you click on it, just click on the first one while using the app. Allow.
Position your face in the frame.
Capture your face now.
Position your face in the frame.
Just position your face.
Turn your head slowly to the left. Turn your head slowly to the left. Turn your head slowly to the right. Turn your head slowly to the right. Raise your head slowly. Raise your head slowly.
Raise your head slowly. Just listen to the voice you'll be hearing. So you are done. So I'm not a robot verification. So this is what I said. I'm not a robot. Verification failed. Too many verification. Please try again. So if you have not tried this several times and it's the first time of trying it, it will automatically be verified and you will receive your token in your address. So guys, I believe you find value in this video. If you really do, feel free to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button so as each time I upload awesome videos like this, YouTube will always get you notified. Guys, don't forget to comment and tell me how you see the video in the comment section, or if you have any question you can ask me. I will always attend to you. Remember, all the links I use for this video, including the contract address, are in the comment section, so you can click on it and copy the link or the contract address. Thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out.